Good morning, students. Today we will going to cover the exercise 12.3 of chapter Exponents and Power. So let's get started. So bachcho, our first question is that the first A. So we have to find out the value of this x. So to find out the value of this x, we have to compare the LHS to RHS. So let us see how we're going to compare. So we will try to write as same as this number like that. So let us see how we're going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 0, 0. Okay, to make this decimal, so as we know that the decimal is always at the end of a number. So to make this decimal to this place, so we have to multiply this number with the 10 the power something. So what is the power of 10 here? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we will going to move the decimal up to 7 place. So the power will be what? 10 the power 7. So it will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will become 10 the power 7. Okay, and on comparing with RHS, so we have the value of x is equal to 10 the power x. On comparing it, we have a value of x is equal to 7, and this is our answer. So students, our second question is that is 1729 into 10 to the power 8 is in standard form? So it is not in a standard form. So to write in a standard form, we have to write like this: 1729 into 10 to the power 8. So the standard form is 1.729 into 10 to the power 11. So this is the standard form because we have shifted this decimal to 3 place here. So we have increased here 3 number, 8 plus 3, so it become 11. But our second question is saying that following digits we have to make it in a standard form. So to make it in a standard form, we will write the question first. Question number A, that is 4, 2, 3, 5. How many zeros are there? 3. So to make it in standard form, we have to make this decimal which is present at the end of a number to this place. So how many places we have to move? 3, 3, 6. So it will become 4.235 into 10 the power 6. So this is our answer. In the same way, we will do the rest of the question. This, and this is your homework. But question number 3 is saying that we have to convert this standard form number to its usual form. So let us see how we're going to convert it. So you can see here question number 3a. So 4.2 into 10 the power 5. So we have to shift the decimal as much the number which is present in the 10 the power 5. So we can write like this: 42000 means this decimal comes from here up to which place? 5 places. So this is the usual form, and this is our answer. In this way you can solve this, and this. So students, our next question is that find the numbers of the following expanded forms. So to we have a number. The question number 1, we have such numbers: 7 into 10 to the power 4 plus 5 into 10 to the power 3, 3 into 10 to the power 2, and 0 into 10 to the power 1, and the last one is 2 into 10 to the power 0. So we have to convert it into the usual form, and it is in a standard form. So let us see how we're going to solve this question. So 7 into 10 to the power 4 can be written as 7 and 4 zeros, and 5 into 10 to the power 3 can be written as 5 and 3 zeros. 3 into 10 to the power 2 can be written as 3 0 0, and 0 multiply with any number, you will get 0. Okay, and to the power 2 into 10 to the power 0. As we can see here, the power is 0, the value will always become 1. So 2 into 1, that is 2. When we're going to add all these numbers, we have 2, 0, and 3, 5, and the last one is 7. So our number is 75302, and this is our answer. So question number 5th is the reverse of the question number 4. So we have a number 929307. This is the 5th A. So we have to convert in expanded form. So 9 can be written as 9 into 10 the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 the power 5. In the same way, plus 2 can be written as 10 the power. This was 5, and this will what? 4. In the same way, 2, the next number is what? 9. So the next number is what, beta? 9. So we can write 9 into 10 the power 1, 2, 3, 3 plus 3 into 10 the power 2 plus 0 into 10 the power 1 plus 7 into 10 the power 0. So this is our answer. So in this way we will complete B, C, D and E1. The last one is that the question number 6 saying that express the numbers appearing in the following statement in साइंटिफिक नोटेशन और स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. बच्चों स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म को हम साइंटिफिक नोटेशन भी बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं बच्चों? साइंटिफिक नोटेशन भी बोलते हैं किसको? स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म को. सो द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द अर्थ एंड द मून इज अबाउट this much. So this can be written as 3, 8, 4. How many zeros are there? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So to write in a standard form, we can write 3.84 into 10 the power 8. In the same way, we can write B1. The diameter of the sun is about 1400000 and 000. So we can write 1.4 into 10 the power 9. This is our answer. Okay, the second last one is what? In a galaxy, there are on an average, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros, then 3 zeros, then again 3 zeros, then again 3 zeros. So 3, 3, 9, 9 plus 2, 11. So it is converted 1 into 10 the power 11. So these are the standard notation of the given question. The last one is your homework. In this way, our exercise is completed. And if you have any doubts and queries, you can ask to me. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you for joining me today in our learning journey. Remember, education is the key to unlocking your full potential. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and never stop learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. See you in the next lesson, and until then, keep striving for excellence. Goodbye, and happy learning.